In this video, I'm going to show you how you can invite your friends in Backroom Exit together. Basically, press play, press the play button, right? And it's gonna pop up. Choose the amount of players in your lobby and choose if you want to make it invite only or public. I'm gonna just do this. Okay, now once you're here, you can pick your character, but what you want to do to invite your friends is you want to press Shift Tab on this friends icon, and then all your friends are going to be here, and you're going to right click on your friend and press invite to game. And after they join, they're going to show up right here, and you can pick the server settings right here. After that, just all your friends join, just press start game. And now you're going to be in the game with your friends. And yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.